Controlling your devices. Once you have added your devices to mydlink, it's time to control them. Tap the arrow at the bottom of the home screen. Then, select the type of device you want to control. Smart plug controls. For smart plugs, tap the plug's icon to turn it on and off. If your plug monitors power consumption, tap the analytics icon to view your usage statistics. Camera controls. For cameras, tap the camera's icon to see its live view. Tap the menu button to adjust audio and video settings. To take a snapshot, tap the camera icon. To record a clip to your mobile device, tap the record icon to begin recording. To stop recording, tap the record icon once more. Sensor controls. For sensors, you can view your sensor's battery life and other details.